Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, happy Friday. We've got winds and fire and all kinds of hell breaking out here in Southern California. What we have here is a reverse glass Napoleon cigar advertisement sign. Really, really cool. Anytime you can get a hands on one of these reverse glass, you can see the silver lame picking up here. Just really a nice shape with a nice frame. If you're into tobacco, vintage advertising, this is right up your alley.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.